Okay, new 110 Defender in stock. This is the 2026 model year, the facelift Defender with a few subtle changes. 110 commercial, D250, 3-litre S. Full bespoke styling, finished in Santorini Black. Very hard vehicle to get hold of, there's hardly any about. So this one looks great. We've got front canards, wide arch kit in gloss black. We've got the 22-inch gloss back alloy wheels with the Yokohama tyres. Upgraded bonnet vents, upgraded side vents, LED light pod to the roof, and this is a 75 plate with delivery mileage only. So to the front, on this 2026 model year, you can see they've changed the section here, which is smooth now. We've got front fog lights, slightly different headlamp design. Obviously gloss black Defender badging, full black pack to this. Fully colour coded, and this is a commercial vehicle for your business, which is VAT qualifying, tax deductible, N1 tax efficient, so perfect for business use. Gloss black side steps, front and rear classic mud flaps, factory black roof rails, and on the new 26 model, can you see the lights here? They're smooth now, so they've changed the rear light design. Got gloss black rear bumper, wheel cover, rear spoiler. I'm going to show you in the back. Plenty of load space, we've got some lighting up there. That there is your detachable tow bar, which is an additional extra. So detachable tow bar, lots of room, ideal for a seat conversion if you wish. Make this into a practical 5-seat commercial vehicle. So in the front, I'm just going to show you in the cabin, we've got keyless entry on the button, obviously 360-degree cameras, digital speedo, we've got 38 miles only, leather steering wheel, adaptive cruise control, electric recline on the seats, rubber mats. And as you can see here, we've got the jump seat, so really nice option. It allows 3 passengers in the front like so, and then when needed, I've just unlocked it there, I'm going to pull it down, and now it's a full-size armrest with cup holders, charge ports there for your phones, a little bit of storage as well. Really nice option to have. 26 model year Defenders now come with this larger screen, so this is a 13-inch screen, similar to the size in a new Range Rover Sport. The biggest screen they do in a Defender, really makes the cabin look well. So we've got all the features, adaptive cruise, big screen, black headliner on the Santorini 110. One of our best sellers, in the best spec, best colour, of all the great options like jump seat and tow bar. So in stock now, 75 plate. I don't think there's another one of these for sale in the UK today. Give me a call, 0777 111 2040. All the spec, everything online, www.ma-sv.co.uk. Thank you for watching.